Looking for the best pedicure kits? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pedicure kits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. BeautyBon Manicure Pedicure Set Nail Clippers. Faux leather case offers a sleek design for carrying. Comes with 10 stainless steel pieces. Case opens quickly with the push of a button. High quality construction. This attractive pedicure set is a solid option for both women and men seeking a lightweight carrying case. Nail clippers could be sharper. Some customers had issues with durability. At number 3. Tseoa Manicure Pedicure Kit. Comes in a 12-piece set, allowing for the ultimate in-home pedicure. Clutch case designed for portability. Made of high-quality steel. Customers appreciated the cheaper price. A highly rated pedicure kit providing users with high-quality nail tools at an affordable price. A few buyers had problems with the product arriving damaged. At number 1. Pure Enrichment PureNails 7-piece Professional Manicure and Pedicure System. Includes 7 different attachments, all coated in sapphire for ultimate results. Able to use in 2 speed settings. Built-in LED light allows you to see as you groom. Comes with a carrying case for storage. By far one of the most popular nail care sets, this Tseoa Manicure and Pedicure machine provides excellent care all around. Step-by-step instructions are not included with the set. Adapter tends to break. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.